Okay, so the next stage of your driving lesson will be learning about junctions and priorities and who has priorities and what type of road are you on. So there's only two types of road we need to learn about in today's episode, which is emerging and approaching into a road. And now it's so important to understand priorities, especially like, for example, if I teach people from abroad, they come from a different country and they know how to drive or how to control the car, but they don't know about priorities. So for example, they might stop when it's their right to go, or they might go when it's their right to stop. So you can understand the dangers of that. So imagine you're stopping, the cars behind don't expect you to stop, and it's your priority to go, and you stop. So it's really dangerous. That's why it's so important to understand priorities. With a complete beginner, we go through it anyway, from the very theoretical stage to the practical stage. With a driver with a bit more experience, we won't know until we see them drive. We won't know if they understand the rules thoroughly until we see them drive. So let's go through it anyway in the car in this particular video that we're making. Guys, before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe for all the latest videos, and make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys are struggling with. Let me know what other kind of videos you need me to make, and I'll do so. This video is going to be quite short. Do check our other videos out for more in-depth analysis about junctions. Anyway, the first type of road is emerging out onto a major road. So you're going to be in a minor road, a smaller road, not size-wise, but just in terms of priority, going out onto a major road, a road that you have to wait for. Okay, so how do you know you're on a major road? The first way you can tell is if it's a T-junction, and so the top of the T would have the priority. And the second or third way you'll know is if it's called give-way lines or stop lines. If it doesn't have lines, then look out for the T-junction. So look at this road here. As we approach the road, you'll see lines on the floor in front of you, give-way lines. If it was a thick white line, it would have been a stop line. Number two, you can see there's a big road in front of us, like a T, and that's the top of the T. So now that we know the priority, we have to make sure that we're the one that waits, we're the one that stops the car for any oncoming traffic. The next type of road is approaching into a junction, so you're on the major road going into a minor road. Again, the way you'll know is you'll see give-way lines or stop lines on your left or the right of you. You'll notice you're on the bigger part of the T, so you're on the main part of the road, the major part of the road. As you're driving, you'll be the one that has a priority. So the cars on your left or right coming out, they have to be the one that waits for you. So if you look at this road here, you'll see lines on the floor on the left side. You can see give-way signs. You can also notice there's a T junction to your left. Therefore, you have the priority, so you shouldn't really be waiting here or stopping the car for anybody, unless of course there's a dangerous situation. Maybe a pedestrian walks out, maybe it's really a tight road. That's different, but generally you should be the one that goes into the road. If you do stop for no reason whatsoever, you cause more dangers to the cars behind, to pedestrians around you, to whoever's around you, and in the exam it may be faulted as a major fault, meaning you would fail. So bear that in mind, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with our channel. If you want to watch a more in-depth analysis or an explanation about junctions, go through our channel. We've got loads of videos how to drive, how to pass your driving test. So support our channel, click like, leave a comment below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.